Clamshell Samsung Galaxy Z Flip lit up on the live. Even before the release of the flexible smartphone Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, its design lit up on different renders. However, the famous insider Ben Geskin went even further and published a video that demonstrates the operation of the device. Samsung has patented a futuristic smartphone with an oval screen, Galaxy Z Flip, in the same purple case in which it was previously lit on various images. The frame clearly shows two sensors of the main camera and an auxiliary screen on the outside of the case. In the open state, the Tote of Samsung resembles a classic modern smartphone with a hole for the front in the display. The device closes with a distinctive click. Smartphone features. According to previous leaks, the Galaxy Z Flip will receive a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with an aspect ratio of 22:9, Full HD Plus resolution, 2636 by 1080, and a glass coating. The novelty will work on the basis of the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor paired with 8GB of RAM. The Galaxy Z Flip will also receive a 256GB drive and a 3300 mAh battery. The main camera in the smartphone is represented by two 12-megapixel modules. Presentation date and price. The announcement of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is scheduled for February 11th in the framework of the Samsung Unpacked 2020 event. The expected cost of the new items is $1,500.